What's up, people? Welcome back to Sky Mac. I'm going to be giving my weekly analysis for this coming week, this new month. It's a brand new month, October, which means we expect some brand new opportunities. Yeah, so I'm really excited because I just passed my MFF phase 2 last week. Yeah, on the 5k challenge. Yeah, if you've been following, you've been seeing what else is going on. Yeah, so now the main goal now is to get the first payout. Yeah, so for the month of October, I just aiming to make a profit and get the first payout during the end of October or maybe the beginning of November. Yeah, but during that time period, I'm probably getting my first payout. So I'll be really excited, and yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so I'm going to now dive into the analysis. Oh wait, before I proceed, guys, we're almost at 100 people and we're at 100, just 2 more subscribers and we are at 100. I don't know, maybe by the time I'm uploading we'll already be at 100, but either way, if you're interested in this type of content, subscribe. Yeah, so that we can get to 1,000. Yeah, anyway, there's also a Telegram group where I share my knowledge or what I perceive, what I believe the markets will be doing throughout the week. Yeah, and there are also many other people in the group who also share their knowledge. It's a free group, anyone can share anything they want, so feel free. The link is in the description, you can join that group. Yeah, for now, let me now dive into the analysis. Yeah, so I'll start off with CHFJPY as usual. So CHFJPY is moving quite not that much big of movements, and it's even the pair that helped me actually pass the phase 2. Yeah, I caught a trade here, a sell. Yeah, right here. Yeah, and since it had a very high risk reward ratio, I managed to benefit with just a very small move and pass the challenge. Yeah, it eventually reversed back to break even, but I was already out of the trade by then, and yeah, it was a very good trade. Yeah, and yeah, so if you were here last week to watch my last video, I was anticipating price to retrace all the way back here, then I can sell from there, and you can see price is still retracing there. So not anything new, not that much anything new on USDCHF. Still the same move I'm looking for since last week. The heck, I'm still looking for the same move, same point of interest. Found it on the 15-minute. Yeah, that's the move I'm still looking forward to this coming week. So it's just a matter of patience and observation, and they can possibly catch some intraday moves as usual, like the one I caught that helped me pass my challenge. You can catch some intraday moves on the 15 minutes while I'm waiting for the big move to occur. Yeah, so right now it's just a game of patience. Just wait patiently. Yeah, and see what's going to happen next. But if price continues dropping from here, then we'll obviously form a new 4H range, because this is now a valid 4H low. So if price takes it out, then we'll form new supply zones on top there, then I'll mark them out while we approach my major levels here where I'm anticipating reversals. Yeah, so that's for USD CHF JPY. I'm anticipating sales on the 4H. Yeah, on the 15-minute, yeah, anticipating some buys until this level, or some sales. Either way, whatever structure we have, we can catch some intraday moves. Yeah, so we'll see what price has in store for us this coming week. Yeah, that's for CHFJPY. Still not looking any places for reversals on the top side until we take out this low. If we take out these lows, then now I can look at these levels for my reversals, my major levels. Yeah, anyway, that's for CHFJPY. Then USDCHF. What do we have on USDCHF? So last week I was looking for some buys on USDCHF right somewhere here, and yeah, the market did buy. Starting from somewhere here, yeah, the market did buy, but then started selling. But overall, we're still looking for buys. Yeah, so we formed some kind of a bearish structure here. Yeah, as you can see, so it's like price was started going bullish, then formed some bearish structure like that, but then price reversed bullish by taking out this high. Yeah, so I'm still looking for buys on the forex. Yeah, and my most recent swing leg is pretty obvious. Yeah, it's obviously from this low right here to that high right there. Yeah, so now I just scale down to my lower time frames and look for my points of interest in my discount zone, since I'm looking for buys. So for this one, my point of interest was found on the 30-minute. That's where my last imbalance was. Yeah, you can see right here. Yeah, and if you notice, the low of the 4-8 range is the Asia low, so I'm not looking at right here, just on this low and not the Asia low. So my extreme low, my extreme point of interest to end right here on this low, not on the Asia low right there. Yeah, that's how I trade it, because if I end it on the Asia low, it will most likely be taken, because if this low is taken out, then price will also most likely just take out the Asia low. So that's why I end it there, because the Asia low is a liquidity pool. Yeah, so that's my point of interest. Yeah, there is no any other imbalanced price action. Yeah, so yeah, this is my only point of interest on that now. So but if the 4-8 range gets bigger, maybe we can find some other points of interest in there, but for now, yeah, this is what I'm looking at on USDCHF, looking for buys. Yeah, then where am I anticipating my reversals? So yeah, I have levels there near the 99.732 level there. I have some reversal levels. Yeah, and also down here I also have that reversal level, but obviously I'm concentrating on this more because that's where price is heading to because of the buy. Yeah, but if we start forming bearish structure, I'll look at these levels, although I don't think price will reach here by next week, maybe the other week if that's the intent. Otherwise, for now I'm looking for buys on USDCHF, so we'll see how things will go. Alright, now I'll go to my favorite pair, which is Euro USD. Yeah, so for Euro USD, very simple stuff. I'm also looking for buys on Euro USD. You can see my reversal levels are right there where I'm anticipating 4H reversals, and down here. Yeah, so if we notice, the structure of the 4H has been bullish ever since. Never managed to retrace to my demand zones, but continued bullish, and now I'm anticipating price to return to my demand zones right there, like that, to eventually take out this high and to continue a bullish structure. Then maybe you can reverse from one of these levels up there. Yeah, so that's my anticipation on USD. Yeah, so we'll see what the market has installed for us this coming week. Yeah, yeah, so the main goal is not to predict but to react. So if Euro USD begins to form a bearish structure, we take out this low, then obviously I'll look for sales to continue the downtrend. Yeah, like that. So very simple stuff, and I'll look for buys, reversal trades right in this zone right here. Yeah, but for now I'm just looking for buys on Euro USD. Yeah, so if we zoom into the lower time frames, and my range is obviously obvious, my 4H range. Yeah, it's obviously from this low to that high right there. Yeah, and yeah, so if I go to the lower time frames now to look for my points of interest, you notice that I have 2 points of interest. Yeah, so there's one here on the 15-minute. This is where the last imbalance comes, on the 15-minute, and on all the time frames where I look for my balances. So the lowest imbalance you find on the extreme point of interest. Yeah, So this is my extreme POI, and my secondary POI is right here, also on the 15-minute. So that's the last imbalance you'll find, and I'm using FXCM as my broker, for analyzing the charts. If you use another broker, you will notice some slight differences. So I advise, when you're analyzing the charts, if your strategy is kind of specific like mine, I advise you use one broker for analysis, because if you use two different brokers, you'll notice some things will affect your plan. Anyway, that's just something. We'll see what price will do next week, but overall, looking for buys here. So I'm expecting price to return to these levels. Give me 15-minute confirmation so that I can buy. Obviously, if this low is taken out, I can't buy. That's just a drawing error. But if I get 15-minute confirmation, maybe in here, I buy and target the high that's formed right there. So in the 15-minute confirmation, if I also get a 1-minute scaling, you can do it. Otherwise, I'm just happy that I finally passed the phase 2. So now the profits I'll be making is actual real cash, not all that demo trading we've been doing for a while. That's finally now some real good cash. So can't wait for my first payout. I'll really be excited. I'll film everything and I'll keep on updating you guys. Otherwise, if you want to see exactly how I'm looking at the markets throughout the week, you can join the group. There are many other people in there also share their ideas, so it's a good community. You can also share your own personal views, and we're very supportive. You can just check it out, the Telegram group. The link is in this description. Otherwise, if you made it till the end, if you made it this far, I really appreciate. An amazing person. You're really supporting the channel by doing that. So if you like the content, if you are new to the channel and you like the content, just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video, and comment anything that you would love to comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.